Zooming in our pajama pants. Now, I'm not wearing pajama pants today, but normally I usually am when I'm working from home. And so doesn't it just make sense to have extra income coming in and a plan B? And that's what I love about this business, is that you could start it part-time, you can work from anywhere. And when I first was looking for an additional income opportunity, I had a mentor say to me, well, first of all, Liz, are you working for the right kind of income? And I'm like, what do you mean? I thought there was only one, income is income. And I was a personal trainer. I managed a health club, which basically meant I was earning linear income, where I only earned income trading time for money. So if I didn't show up to do that personal training client, or I didn't show up to open the gym that morning, I wasn't getting paid. But I then started to read books of the wealthy. If you read books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, there's so many other books that are out there on how to get ahead financially. And in these books, they talk about having leveraged income and residual income. Leveraged income is income coming in, whether you're working or not, by working with a team. And when you work with a team, you're not limited to as much as what you could do, but what the whole team can accomplish, earning unlimited income. Then there's residual income, like Michael Jackson money, where his estate is still earning royalties on a Thriller that he recorded one time, but he's still getting paid every single time.